Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change LycaMobile plan in 2026. For that, first of all, you can either open your LycaMobile application or you can visit here on LycaMobile's official website. Now over here, simply click on your profile icon and then you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you are inside your account, you just have to simply go to the plans section and there you are going to see your current plan that you are basically using. Now, you need to simply review the available plans and compare the included data allowance, call minutes, the text messages, and any international benefits. Afterwards, you just have to simply choose that particular plan which best fits your current need. LycaMobile allows existing customers to renew their current plan and upgrade to a different one. So after selecting the plan, you just have to simply tap on the option that would say change plan, and then you just have to follow further on-screen instructions in order to confirm your selection and complete any of the required payment. So after that is done, you are going to get a confirmation message on your phone number, and depending on your region and the type of plan that you have selected, the new plan may activate it immediately or at the end of your current billing cycle. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.